Okay, are you all ready? Shall we start? Yes, all right. So, elephant et la culture indienne. Elephant and the Indian culture. Elephant and the Indian culture. En France, on voit les éléphants au zoo. In France, one sees the elephants in the zoo. In France, one sees the elephants in the zoo. In France, one sees elephants in the zoo. Next, but in India, but in India, one sees the elephants in the forest. One sees the elephants in the forest. But in India, one sees the elephants in the forest. The elephants are very important in the temples. Elephants are very important in the temples. They are dressed up with jewelry. They are dressed up with jewelry during the festive days. They are dressed up with jewelry during the festive days. I repeat, in France, one sees elephants in the zoo, but in India, one sees elephants in the forest. The elephants are very important in the temples. They are dressed up with jewelry during the festive days. The elephant's work, travailler is to work. Bijou is jewelry. Kaushiki, bijou, jewelry. The elephant's work, travailler is to work. It's a regular ER verb. Travailler is to work. I'll put the main verb in the chat. The original form of the verb is there in the chat for you all. Travailler is to work. The elephants work. They transport wood. They transport wood. In the animal sanctuaries, dans les réserves d'animaux, in the animal sanctuaries, in the animal sanctuaries, the tourists can take a ride on the elephant's back. The tourists can take a ride on the elephant's back. The tourists can take a ride on the elephant's back. The tourists can take a ride on the elephant's back. The last one, elephant has an important place in the Indian culture. Elephant has an important place in the Indian culture. Is everything clear so far? Yes? Okay. Now, les jours, the days. Les jours de fête, festive days. Les jours de fête, festive days. Okay. Now I'm going to give you the whole paragraph once more. Okay. In France, one sees the elephants in the zoo, but in India, one sees elephants in the forest. The elephants are very important in the temples. They are dressed up with jewelry during the festive days. The elephants work, they transport food. In the animal sanctuaries, the tourists can take a ride on the elephant's back. Elephant has an important place in the Indian culture. Okay, everyone got everything now? Okay, I'm going to share the whiteboard with you all because I want to give you certain verbs which are irregular. Make sure you note them down. Okay, so first thing is you see voir ka conjugation. Voir is to see. Okay, note down. Voir is to see. Note down the conjugation of voir. Voir is to see. Je vois, tu vois, il voit, elle voit. Nous voyons, vous voyez, il voit, elle voit. So this is one says elephant in the zoo conjugation of voir. Then next conjugation is that of pouvoir. Okay, pouvoir. Pouvoir. Pouvoir is to be able to or can. Je peux, tu peux, il peut, elle peut. Nous pouvons, vous pouvez, ils peuvent, elles peuvent. Finish noting down pouvoir and voir. Now, since pouvoir is given, I will give you vouloir also together because vouloir and pouvoir are somewhat similarly conjugated. You will see the similarity. See, pouvoir mein everywhere it is PEUX, PEUX, PEUT, POUVONS, POUVEZ, in the end PEUVENT. So here also in the same manner, je, VEUX, tu, VEUX, il, L, VEUT. Now new form is VOULONS, new form VOULEZ, and ILS, ELS, VEULENT. Je veux, tu veux, il veut, elle veut. Nous voulons, vous voulez, ils veulent, elles veulent. All right, you have three verbs now: vouloir, pouvoir, and voir. Fair conjugation, do you all know fair conjugation? I think we had discussed fair. है ना, FAITES आता है वो फॉर्म में. Deer भी discuss किया था. Deer में भी DITES in the वो form. All right. Shall I erase this? Once this is gone, I will not be able to display this once again. Shall I erase this? Are you done writing all the three verbs? Yes. Okay. So I'll stop sharing the screen. Let's go back to the exercises. Okay. Then the animals we have discussed, right? Here you could have a question saying Nomme les animaux sauvages. Nomme les animaux sauvages means name the wild animals. Les animaux sauvages is the heading. So just add nomme before it. In front of it, just add nomme. Nomme means name. Name the wild animals. So then you can write the Janvi. Oops. Oh no, don't write that. You won't get marks for it. So what will you write then? You will write ours, serpent, singe, loup, tigre, lion. Yes. In simple, if you want to write the simplest one, write le lion, le tigre. Le lion et le tigre. Okay, let's go ahead. Leo में N LION, हाँ. I think it's gone only to 1%. Let me put for all. ये हमने डिस्कस किया था ना क्वेश्चन. Nominales animos ovas. Yes, okay. Now you have to conjugate the verbs in the present tense. All right. So whenever you conjugate the verb, remember to identify the verb. Would dash par car the credit. Payer is the verb. Payer. Remember how do you conjugate the verb payer? Does anyone know? How do you conjugate the verb payer? YR ending verb है. This is exercise number 4. Since exercise 1, 2 and 3 is future pros already हो चुका है. Is exercise 5 or 4 also done? Just let me know in the chat. 4 किया है क्या हमने पहले? No, नहीं किया ना. Okay. So okay, I'll put this on the whiteboard. I'm going to put payer towards the left. Okay. So what happens is payer is to pay. When you are conjugating a YR ending verb, Y changes to I everywhere except in no and who. So ending तो same रहेगा EES, EONS, EZ, ENT. But conjugation में Y की जगह पे I आएगा. Everywhere except in no and who. तो no and who में क्या आएगा? Let's see. No and who में Y को Y ही छोड़ेंगे. No change. फिर ills else में फिर से Y will change to I. This is how you will have the conjugation for YR verbs. All YR verbs rather. Okay, just have a look. I would suggest note it down. This happens for all the YR verbs. तो हमने वो irregular semi regular verbs किया था पता है GER ending verbs, CER ending verbs. YR is also one of them. YR में Y changes to I everywhere except in no and who. One note down will payer. Did you finish noting down payer? Yes, done. Shall I stop sharing this and share another screen? Yes, all right. Anyone still writing? Please let me know. Nobody's writing. Okay. So getting back to the exercise that we were doing. Okay, just hold on. There's somebody in the waiting. Yes. So getting back to this one, the verb payer for the who form. Now that you know the conjugation, write the answer in the chat. PA, yes, very good. PAYEZ, very good. Deep, Jitesh, Kaushiki, correct, very good. Bhumi. Then let's go ahead with the next one. Télécharger. Be very careful. It's a GER ending verb. Manger जैसा है. Manger. MANGER. Manger कैसे किया था वैसे ही यहाँ पे करेंगे. Yes, Suzanne has put the correct answer in the chat. Others, let me see if you remember. Pritika, very good, excellent. You remember the rule. Shalika, correct. Suzanne, Pritika, Shalika, correct so far. Others, use chat. Manger, GER verbs कैसे conjugate होता है? Very good, Anaida. Very good, Kaushiki. सुजैन, प्रीतिका, शलिका, अनाइडा, कौशिकी, इन लोग को याद है. अदर्स, लेट्स सी हु ऑल रिमेंबर. यूज चैट. यस, वी ऐड एन एक्स्ट्रा ई इन द न्यू फॉर्म. सो तेलिशार, देखो ओएनएस तो हम लगाते हैं क्योंकि न्यू फॉर्म है, बट देयर इज एन एक्स्ट्रा ई आफ्टर द जी इन द न्यू फॉर्म ओनली. Extra e after the g in the new form only. Okay. Mon gion, वैसे ही तेलिशार gion. Extra e in the new form. This happens only with the GER ending verbs and खाली no form के लिए होता है ऐसा. Clear? Going ahead. Let's go ahead. It's accompanier now. Accompanier तो normal ER है. How do I do the conjugation for accompanier? Why who form? Why tu form? Madame Lacombe कौन सा form है? Subject pronoun. Madame Lacombe is what? A lady. एक ही lady है ना? कितनी ladies है? Suzanne. Why else? It's just L, singular. So L form का conjugation will be drop the ER and add what? Very good, Pritika. Very good, Anaida. So far, Pritika and Anaida are correct. Yes, Kaushiki is also correct. शलिका करेक्ट. जितेश नो, जितेश क्यू फॉर्म किया है आपने? एल फॉर्म. एल फॉर्म में यू ड्रॉप द ER and add E. Yes, Suzanne is also correct. नेक्स्ट वर्ब इज फिनीर. रेगुलर IR है, तो लेट्स सी IR ड्रॉप करके क्या डालेंगे इल्स के लिए. यस, दृष्टि, जितेश करेक्ट. अनाइडा करेक्ट. यस, वेरी गुड. कौशिकी करेक्ट. वेरी गुड, प्रीतिका. शलिका. दृष्टि नो. दृष्टि इल्स है. ILS, सिंगुलर नहीं प्लूरल है. देखो, बी केयरफुल विद द क्वेश्चन. दोज वर टाइपिंग द आंसर्स, मेक श्योर एक ही वर्ड टाइप करके आप एंटर डालो. इतना सारा स्पेस नहीं चाहिए हमको. दीप, प्लीज press one word and then enter. You don't have to give so much space. Okay, so finir is drop the IR, add ISSENT for the ILS form. ISISIT, ISSONS, ISSEZ, ISSENT. ISSENT for the last ILS and ELS. Fair. Fair भी हम लोग ने डिस्कस किया है ऑलरेडी. लेट्स सी इफ यू रिमेम्बर. इल के साथ है. इल, बी वेरी केयरफुल. इंट्रोगेटिव है ना, इसलिए वर्ब हाइफन सब्जेक्ट उल्टा किया हुआ है. वाई अनाइडा फोन क्यू IL, इल सिंगुलर है ना. देखो यहाँ पे, लुक एट द वर्ब. द वर्ब इज गिवन इन द क्वेश्चन. रीड द वर्ड करेक्टली. IL है, सिंगुलर है. नो. Check your fair conjugation in the notebook if you want. Pritika is correct. Anaida is now correct. She's corrected herself. Others, Mahalakshmi, Jitesh, correct yourself. It should be FAIT. Yes, Jitesh. Jitesh. फिनी का लिखा है जितेश. फिनी नहीं, फिनी तो फिनीर का होगा ना. वी आर डूइंग फेयर. डू नॉट गेट कंफ्यूज बिटवीन फिनीर एंड फेयर. दोनों एफ से स्टार्ट होता है, तो क्या बोथ आर डिफरेंट वर्ब्स. फिनीर इज टू फिनिश रेगुलर IR वर्ब. फेयर इज टू डू इरेगुलर है. फेयर FAIS, FAIS, FAIT, FAISONS, FAITES, FONT. Do you want me to give the verb conjugation of fair, or you have it? Use the chat and let me know. We have. Pritika says we have. Others, everyone has? Yes. Okay, great. So all these 5 sentences are now clear to you all. Any doubts so far? Exercise 4 clear. Shall we go ahead? Page number 22, exercise number 5. Okay. Now what you have to do here is, you have been given sentences here. So sentences ना random order में दिया है. You have to look at the question from the textbook. Question के लिए textbook refer करो. So you will identify the subject. Subject के बाद conjugation ढूंढो, and फिर rest of the sentence ऐसे लिखो, rearrange करो words को, that it makes sense. Rearrange the words in such a way that it will make sense. But in the beginning, look for the subject. Subject, verb, object. This is how your sentence should be, right? So what is the subject? What do you think in the first sentence the subject is? Very good. Les आंधियां. फिर les आंधियां के हिसाब से verb क्या होगा? Very good, Anaida. Entre. So les आंधियां entre, and then where will they enter? Dans le zoo. Okay, in the zoo. Page number 22, exercise 5. Page 22, exercise 5. Daniel, page 22, exercise 5. ओके, तो पहले हम सब सेंटेंसेस में से सब्जेक्ट एंड वर्ब आइडेंटिफाई कर लेंगे, फिर रेस्ट ऑफ द सेंटेंस देखेंगे. सेकंड वाला सेंटेंस में सब्जेक्ट एंड वर्ब क्या है? हाँ, करेक्ट. वेरी गुड. nous faisons. nous faisons फॉर द सेकंड वन. थर्ड वन के लिए सब्जेक्ट एंड वर्ब क्या है? वेरी गुड डैनियल, निधि, जितेश. जितेश, नाउन के पहले हमेशा आर्टिकल. Yes, it's les animaux. Then verb. What verb will you write? Les animaux sont correct. But there is no pas also. So the sentence is basically negative. Les animaux ne sont pas. क्योंकि नौपा भी है ना, तो नो एंड पा के आगे पीछे नौपा डाल देंगे हम. सौंत के आगे पीछे नौपा डाल देंगे. Then the next one, fourth one. Yes, la tour Eiffel and the verb. Very good. La tour Eiffel a. And last wala sentence 5. Okay, Ilya. Very good. Ilya. Abhi rest of the sentence. Let's see. Les Andia entre. Rearrange the words that the sentence. Rearrange the words in such a way that the sentence makes sense. Very good. Les Indiens entrent dans le zoo. Indians enter in the zoo. Who are the Indians that enter in the zoo? Karan and Rucha. याद है ना, second chapter में they go in the zoo. Then second sentence. Nous faisons dash. Nous faisons des cours pour le dîner. Very good. Nous faisons des cours pour le dîner. You do vegetable shopping for the dinner. Faisons में single S महालक्ष्मी. Les animaux ne sont pas dash. Dans leur cage. Very good. They are not in their cage. The animals are not in the cage. La tour Eiffel est très célèbre. Very nice. The Eiffel Tower is very famous. Last one, Ilya. Very good. But there is one word which is missing. All of you are missing the word which starts with B. देखो B. Beaucoup आ गए. Il y a beaucoup d'animaux en Inde. Il y a beaucoup d'animaux en Inde. There are a lot of animals in India. So I repeat all the sentences. Indians enter in the zoo. Then we do vegetable shopping for the dinner. The animals are not in the zoo. The Eiffel Tower is very famous. There are a lot of animals in India. Are all 5 sentences clear? See, all of them are making sense. We have placed it in such an order that it's making sense. Shall we go ahead? Exercise number 6. Any doubt in this one? No. Okay, let's go ahead. Exercise number 6 is easy peasy. All you have to do is look for an odd man out. Okay. So, which is the odd man out? Wow, Anaida has already the answer. Very good. All of you are correct. All of you are correct. The first one, odd man out, is atondra. क्यों atondra? Rest all are the forms of prondra. You see, comprondra, prondra, aprondra. बाकी सब prondra के forms है. Okay, next. Travailler, finir, parler, quitter. Very good, Anaida. Anaida, Pritika, Jitesh, Nidhi, Suzanne, all of you are correct. Finir. Because rest all are ER verbs. Finir is the only IR verb here. Okay, third भी आ गया आंसर. क्या बात है, very nice. Third is noir because rest all are feminine. Brune, blanche, gris सब feminine है. Noir is the only masculine one here. Noir is without E. Okay, fourth one. Wow, very nice. क्या बात है, फटाफट आंसर आ रहा है. Folk is the only exception. Why folk is the only exception? Folk is the only one which is aquatic. Yes, rest all. Yes, very good, Kaushiki. Folk is the only one that lives in water. Then last wala, Noel. Why Noel? Yes, Noel is the only festival here. Rest all are dash. Rest all are dash. Rest all are seasons. Very nice. Perfect. So we are done with odd man out also. I think exercise number 7 हमने कर लिया है. Just confirm in the chat. Have we finished? Ted pronouns के साथ किया रहेगा. Yes, okay. Exercise number 8 भी किया है हमने. Prondra and forms of prondro है ना? 8 भी किया है ना? Yes. So we jump to exercise number 9. 9. 9 किया है कि नहीं? 9 एंड 10 करना है, ओके। तो 9 में ओके, आई डिस्प्ले द 9th वन लेटर। पहले हम लोग 10th वन डिस्कस करेंगे। Yes, 11th and 12th also we'll do that. 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay. 13, 14 पीछे का सब बाकी है, remember. So 10th one, 10th, 11, 12, 13, 14 सब कर लेते हैं, फिर 9th one I will display at the end. Coming to the 10th one, you have to complete the blanks. Fill in the blanks using the words given here. रेड कलर का जो ब्रैकेट में है वर्ड्स, दीज आर योर हेल्पिंग वर्ड्स। कोई तो एक वर्ड कोई भी यहाँ पे ब्लैंक में फिट होगा। ओके, यू डोंट हैव टू रिपीट द वर्ड्स। सो लेट्स सी नाउ कौन सा वर्ड कहाँ फिट होता है। ड्यूरिंग द वेकेशंस वन गोज टू द डैश, va a la montaña, very good, or o bord de la mer, so either to the mountains or sea, bord de la mer। mer है क्या यहाँ पे? है ना, तो वो डिस्प्ले नहीं हो रहा है। ओके, I forgot to give the animation. Hold on. Hold on. मेरे नहीं दिख रहा है ना। I'll just quickly display it so that you can see and write the correct one. Okay, let's get back. I'm sharing the screen once again with the correct answer, which was not displayed earlier. Here it is. So, montaña, mer. During the vacations, one goes to the mountains or to the sea. Then, often the children leave with their dash or dash. You go out either with your dash or dash. So you go either with your parents or with your friends. Okay, friends or parents. Then you travel in dash or dash. You travel in, very good, avion or bus. Avion or bus. You watch dash in the cinemas. You watch, very nice, films in the cinema. Films. Or you dash. Or you do, either you watch films or you do, what activity can you do? Trekking. Very nice, trekking. Then the two games, one plays dash or dash. You play the two activities, football or tennis, correct? Tennis or football. There are also children who read lot of dash. What will you read? You will of course read lot of, simple answer है. Yes, of course you will read lot of books. और क्या read कर सकते हैं? Then finally, they enjoy a lot and they return in autumn for the new school year. Okay? Understood this para is clear, all the words? Are all words clear? सबने बराबर से fill in the blank किया? Bordalamer, seaside. Okay, now you have to answer the questions. Quelle est la capitale de la France? Come on now, everyone knows this. I don't need to teach you this. But remember class, cities के पहले ना कभी भी article नहीं लिखने का. I saw some students writing La Paris, Le Paris, no. Quelle को हटा के Paris लिखो, बाकी question में से copy करो. Quelle को हटा के Paris लिखा and बाकी सब same to same. Et la capitale de la Paris is the capital of France. So we have Quelle को हटा के हमने Paris लिखा. Rest of the things we've copied from the question itself. Which music do you like? Which music do you like? So you can write any, you have lot of options. All right, let's see. J'aime quelle music? Now, quelle music के जगह पे I will write le rap, le rock, le jazz, la classique, anything. Whichever music you like, you can write that down. J'aime le rap, le rock, le jazz, le pop. Yes, anything is fine. le rap, le rock, le pop, le jazz, la classique. Combien de jours y a-t-il dans une année? How many days are there in a year? Oops, that sounds easy in English. But 365 French में लिखने का होता है. So how will you write? Let's see. Il y a 365 365 jours. 365, 365. 300 is 360. 65 365. Jour with S because 365 days in a year. Those Yunani that we've copied from the question. There are 365 days in a year. Soixante में hyphen बीच में. Jour with S. That is important. Next one is nomme deux animaux. Name the two animals. So two animals are very good. Le lion, le tigre. So if they're naming the wild animals, then you have to definitely write le lion, le tigre. What if they name domestic animals? Nomme deux animaux domestiques. Domestique में you will write le chat et le chien. The cat and the dog. Le chat et le chien. I'll put in the chat le chat et le chien. So these are the domestic ones. If they ask le chat et le chien. Sauvage मतलब wild, domestic मतलब domestic, जो घर पे रख सकते. Just like your parents, how they keep you. Last one. Que faites-vous le weekend? What do you do in the weekend? So you remember वो वाले activities जो थे? What do you do in the weekend? वहां से you can pick up anything. Je fais du shopping, je joue avec mes amis, anything. You should remember at least two activities. Je fais du shopping is I do shopping. And je joue avec mes amis, I play with my friends. Yes, j'écoute la music is also fine. I listen to the music. J'écoute la musique. J'écoute de la musique. Je fais du shopping. Je joue avec mes amis. Je regarde la télé. Je lis des livres. Regarde la télé. Regarde des films. But regarde सब कुछ जो see there are a lot of options. But you should be able to write all of that in French correctly. Error free. If you are able to change your answer without making any error, then you go for it. Otherwise, stick to what is given on the screen. Are all the 5 questions clear? Yes. Okay. Next is match the column. So, a kilo of. A kilo of क्या होता है? A kilo of tomatoes. Very nice. Kilo of tomatoes. A crepe. Crepe is what? A crepe is a French dish. Very good. A dozen of dash. एक dozen क्या होगा? एक dozen bananas. In summer, dash, dash, dash. In summer, it is hot. Lastly, how big it is? What? This whale. Okay, then नीचे दो photos दिया है orca and crab. Tell me what is orca? Textbook में देखो नीचे photo दिया है orca and crab का. Orca is whale. Very nice. And what is crab? What is crab? Pancake. Very nice. Okay. Then next is you have to conjugate the verbs. So before you do that, I'm going to add 2 more verbs to your verbs list. Okay, let's add 2 more verbs. So the one I'm going to add Vanir to your list and I'm going to add Buar to your list. Okay? Vanir is to come. Je viens, tu viens, elle vient. Nous venons, vous venez, elles viennent. Okay? These are the verbs which I have just added for different color mein likhti hu so that you will remember what you are supposed to note down. Then the other word that I'm adding is boire. Boire is to drink. Je bois, tu bois, il ou elle boit, nous buvons, buvons. Vous buvez, ils or elles boivent. VIENNENT. हाँ यहाँ पे N है class. Please make sure that you write this correctly. I will write this once again. VIENNENT. ये correction कर लेना. पहले N missing था यहाँ पे. I'm writing it in different color. Okay, you blue वाला note down करना. VIENNENT. VIENNENT. Done noting down Buar and Vanir. Done. Okay, let's go ahead then. Next exercise is going to be based on these conjugations, which is why I made you write this. Shall I change the screen? Okay, please wait. All right. Daniel, finish writing. ये वाला याद रखना, यहाँ पे तो change correction है ये वाला. This one. Done, Daniel. Blue वाला लिखना है Daniel, last वाला. VIENNENT. VIENNENT. I hope everyone has written the right one. Okay, shall I stop sharing the screen now? Is everyone done writing? Exercise, let's get back to exercise. Okay. So the exercise that we are supposed to do is now exercise number. चलो, let's see, let me. Okay, ये वाला exercise है. Nu के साथ venir का conjugation is. It's simple. Venir में क्या होना चाहिए ending में? VENONS. ONS should be the ending for the nu. So nu veno. वो के साथ, sorry, les andiyan के साथ. Les andiyan means the subject pronoun is ils else वाला. तो ils वाले के साथ ending should be ENT है ना? ENT, ils के साथ ending ENT होता है. We will choose BOIVENT then in that case. Okay? Else के साथ, yes, very good answers have already come in the chat. Very good. Else के साथ बुलवार तो मैंने दिया था ना, बुलवार पुवार. So VEULENT. Metro I have to give, right? So j के साथ METS है, METS. Write down metra conjugation. It's on the screen. j METS, q METS, il el MET, nu meto, वो mete, il met. मेत्रा का conjugation लिख लो. Metra is to put or to keep. Metra is to put or to keep. So I keep the fruits in the basket, or I put the fruits in the basket. Metra is to put or to keep. Done writing metra? Wait, okay, finish it. Done. Okay, so first one for इसका METS आएगा. क्यों? Remplir is a regular IR verb. IR drop करके IS, ISIT, ISSONS, ISSEZ, ISSENT. Correct, very nice. So far, Suzanne, Pritika. No, Pritika. It is Q form. देखो तो IR का ending सोचो और एक बार. Drushti, it's not ill. Romplete, IT. Those who are writing IT in the end, IT comes for ill form. देखो, j के साथ IS, Q के साथ IS, ill के साथ IT होता है. So my correct answer is the second one. ISISIT. IT किधर है? ill के साथ. Q फॉर्म में क्या है? IS. It's IS. j Q दोनों में IS. Is this understood? Conjugations are clear. Remplir is to fill. Remplir is to fill. It's a regular IR verb. I will put the verb in the chat. REMPLIR. Remplir, to fill. You will see remplir in most of the questions. Na? Rempli se le tire in the blanks. Rempli se le tire. देखा होगा question paper में. Going ahead. The 4 seasons are. Les 4 saisons de l'année. The 4 seasons of the year are. And you will name all of them with the article printemps, l'été, l'automne, l'hiver. No, you will not write prepositions. The 4 seasons are in summer, in winter, in autumn. नहीं, हमको in नहीं चाहिए, हमको the चाहिए. कौशिकी, do you understand? En नहीं लिखेंगे हम यहाँ पे. हम लोग en कभी लिखते हैं when I want to say in summer, in winter. Okay, जैसे in winter it is cold, then I will write en hiver il fait froid. Good. Okay. Everyone else understood? This is very important. Sometimes it can be confusing. कौन सा article कभी, preposition कभी. You translate and see, you will understand. Then La Fête Nationale de la France. When is the National Day of France? Very good. Le 14 juillet. Now because it is a national day, J capital लिख सकते हैं. Okay. Usually months are written in small letters. And ऊपर E नहीं लिखने का. Deep. I don't want anything. ऊपर 14th में TH या E या कुछ भी नहीं लिखने का. All right, that's a rule. Just write number 14. That's it. ऊपर TH या E या कुछ भी नहीं लिखने का. जुए का स्पेलिंग अच्छे से देखो प्रीतिका. जूलियट नहीं, जुए. JUILLET. Okay. It seems to be a typo. Still, make sure that you write the correct one in the notebook. Dash and dash are the French dishes. Dash and dash French dishes. Very good. Le crêpe. Le croque monsieur. La crêpe. Le croque monsieur. ये तो फास्ट फूड हो गया ना. फ्रीट. If possible, also remember frite. Although we call it French fries, it is not French. So the typical French dishes are la crêpe, le croque monsieur. La crêpe, la feminine, and le croque monsieur, le. Okay. Yeah, you can write le croissant also. बट क्रुआजों का स्पेलिंग रॉन्ग लिखा है कौशिकी। Then dash and dash are the cities, two French cities. Paris, Grenoble, Lille, Lyon. There are many. हम लोग easy वाला लिखेंगे, Paris and Lyon. Then dash and dash are the fruits. Very good. This time it's important to use article. La pomme, la banane. La pomme, la banane. दोनों भी la वाला दिया मैंने, so that it's easy for you to remember. La pomme, la banane. If you're writing orange, then L apostrophe orange. L apostrophe orange. All right. There is going to be another lecture after me, so I have to end on time. एक ट्रांसलेशन फटाफट करके वी विल स्टॉप। फिर हमने जो एक एक्सरसाइज स्किप किया है पेज नंबर 23 पे, दैट आई विल एक्सप्लेन यू इन द शॉर्ट। यू विल डू इट एज होमवर्क एंड विल डिस्कस इन द नेक्स्ट क्लास। अभी फिलहाल के लिए ट्रांसलेशन फटाफट कर लेते हैं। सो whenever you have pour plus verb means in order to make an omelette. Okay, now see the translation. In order to make an omelette, cut the eggs in a bowl. What you do, you're making an omelette. So you can have a question here, which ingredients are used in omelette? ऐसा question आ सकता है। तो इसमें से you can write whatever you like. जो भी easy लगता है आपको specifically वो लिखो। whichever you feel easy, जिसका spelling easy है, जिसमें ज्यादा accents नहीं है, जो याद रखने को एकदम ये है, वो वाला लिखना। So to make an omelette, break the eggs in a bowl. Then cut. This is from the exercise. हाँ, ये मैंने खुद से नहीं दिया। Page 24, exercise 15. Page 24, exercise 15. It is from the book. So in order to make an omelette or to make an omelette, cut the eggs in a bowl. Break the eggs rather. Break the eggs in a bowl. You break the eggs. You don't cut the eggs. Cut the onions and the tomatoes well. Cut the onions and the tomatoes well. I repeat, kasser is to break. To make an omelette, break the onions in a bowl. Cut the onions and the tomatoes well. Add onions and tomatoes to the eggs. Okay. So to make an omelette, first break the eggs in a bowl. After that, cut the onions and the tomatoes well. Add these onions and the tomatoes to the eggs. Beat well. उसके बाद you have to beat. Beat well. Mix well. Beat. Okay. Beat well is better. Patra is to beat. Mix के लिए there is another word. It's mélanger. Ajouter you sell. Add some salt and pepper. Sell and poivre is salt and pepper. So after that you add some salt and pepper. Then you pour the mixture in a hot pan. Okay, सब कुछ mix करने के बाद सब कुछ you beat it nicely so that there are no lumps. After you finish beating, you add salt and pepper. Then you pour the mixture in a hot pan. Pour the mixture in a hot pan. Let it cook. You can turn and flip. Let it cook for 2 to 3 minutes on a gentle flame or on a slow flame. I hope you know कभी कुक किया होगा तो you can keep it on a medium flame, on a high flame, on a low flame. पूछो मम्मी को, समझेगा। So let it cook for 2 to 3 minutes on a low flame, on a slow flame. Then you turn or flip it. Turn it or flip it and let it cook again. दोनों side cook करने का. Serve it hot with some ketchup. हो गया, बन गया अभी खाने का केचप के साथ। Any word that you've not got, you may ask. I will repeat once if you want. You can cross check. To make an omelette, break the eggs in a bowl. Cut the onions and tomatoes well. Add the onions and tomatoes to the eggs. Beat well. Add some salt and pepper. Pour the mixture in a hot pan. Let it cook for 2 to 3 minutes on a slow flame. You turn and let it cook again. Serve hot with some ketchup. Again. Encore means again. So here is the translation. It's almost 6 and the other lecture is supposed to start. I will explain exercise number 10 in the next class. All right? 10 ही skip किया ना हमने? Yes. I will explain that in the next class because we are running short of time. दूसरा भी class time पे start होना चाहिए. Any doubt? Anybody, any doubt? Shall we end? No doubt. Okay. So we'll see you in the next class. We are almost done with the second chapter. Exercise 10 ही खाली बाकी है. So remind me exercise 10 finish करने के लिए next class में. And go through chapter 2 completely by next class so that if you have any doubt you can ask. All right? Bye bye. Have a nice day. Take care. Adios. Ciao. Au revoir.